Hello. In this tutorial series, we will create a real-time chat app in Android. We have a registration form where users can register an account. We are getting full name, username and password from registration form. Once account is created, data will be stored in MySQL database and the user will be automatically signed in. And we are going to create another account for second device too. On home page, we have two tabs, group for discussion and private chat between contacts. First, we will see groups. Create a group, set the name. On home page, you can see all groups. On click, you will see group detail where you can chat. On click top, you will see group meta page where you can see all members of group and admin can edit the picture of group. Picture will be stored in folder in PHP server and its path will be stored in MySQL database. To add member in group, you have to send an invitation to him. Enter his name, confirm, and add member. Invitation has been sent. Now the other person will see that request from left menu. There are two tabs. Invitation tab will be highlighted. You can accept or decline the invitation. I am accepting it. Now I can send message in this group. And it will also be displayed in group members list. Send a message and it will be displayed on other devices who has joined the group without having to refresh the app. We are using sockets for real-time communication. We have created a simple Node.js server where sockets are implemented. We will teach you how you can do that too. And you will also see incoming messages in notification bar. We are using Firebase FCM for sending and receiving notifications. User can update his profile picture, select image from gallery. Profile has been updated. Now you will see this user's profile picture on all places. You can see the group photo by clicking on it. You can also download it. It will ask for folder permission to write the file. File has been saved in phone pictures folder. You can also send image attachments in messages too. And they will also be displayed real time on all the devices who has joined this group. And you can download the image attachment from chat as well. You can leave the group, it will ask for confirmation. Now you will see a lock icon on group because you no longer a participant. And it will also be removed from group members list. Now comes to the private chat part. On click add icon, you will see a list of all users who are not in your contact. You can send a friend request. Now the other person will see that in his left menu. Receive tab is highlighted. He can accept or reject the friend request and I am going to accept. Now I will see that user in my contact list and the other person will also receive the notification that his friend request has been accepted. Notifications will only be received for accepted request, not for rejected request. Now when the user is selected, we will ask for audio permission for audio call, photos permission to send attachments and save in messages, and now two person can have real-time chat. Messages will dynamically be received on other person, and you can also attach images in messages, and it will also be received in real time. And user can log out. Logging out will remove the user ID from shared preference, thus he will see the login screen when app is opened again. In the next video we will teach you how you can create this app step by step.